Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Today's video is on Samsung Dishwasher and this video is powered by Samsung. Samsung recently launched their series of dishwashers in India with some helpful features. In today's video, I will unbox and demonstrate how it works. Samsung is a renowned brand and it does not need any introduction. I have been a Samsung phone and TV consumer for ages. Now, without further ado, let's start the video. The dishwasher was delivered to our home securely packed. Let's unbox and see how it looks. The door, attachments and racks were secured nicely. You get a warranty card, easy to understand manual and card with do's and don'ts. This model is Samsung DW60M6043, a freestanding dishwasher. It has a sleek and beautiful control panel with high quality stainless steel body. It looks well built, aesthetically beautiful and adds charm to the kitchen. It comes with accessories like cutlery rack with handle and a funnel to fill up the salt. It has two racks with 13 plate setting. The spikes of the bottom rack can be folded to accommodate big vessels. The height of the top rack can be adjusted from the sides. Additional removable knife rack is given to accommodate extra cutlery and knives. This attachment also helps keeping the stem glasses safe. This dishwasher comes with 3 washing arms which gives powerful and sparkling clean washing experience. Samsung dishwasher was very easy to install. Let's see how it functions. It has a large and wide LED display that is easy to read. You can quickly check the status, settings, remaining time and cycle progress at glance even from a distance. This is the program button with 6 wash programs: Intensive, Auto, Eco, Express, Delicate and Pre-wash. By pressing this button, you can choose the half load option if dishes are less. This is the control lock which gets activated if pressed for 3 seconds. Delay start feature helps to plan the wash after certain hours. This is the hygiene tab for extra sanitizing of dishes and germ-free cleaning. And this is the multi-tap button which one should press while using detergent tablets for washing. On the display, indication will prompt if dishwasher is low on salt, detergent or rinse it. And this is the start button. Before starting the machine for the first time, fill up this container with 1 kg salt and 1 liter water. The detergent powder or tablet will go in this compartment and rinse it in this. If you are using tablets, you don't need to put rinse it. Let's start with heavily soiled dishes and cookware. I am placing heavily soiled kadais, frying pans, tea and milk boiling pans. On the top rack, bowls and glasses are placed. And let's choose the Intensive 70 mode which runs for 3 hours and 39 minutes. Intensive and auto cycle includes pre-wash, wash, rinse and drying. Now let's look at the dishes. Wow, everything is sparkling clean. And that's because this intensive mode has 3 separate rinse cycles which effectively removes every stain from heavily soiled dishes. An extra hot water rinse cycle ensures sparkling and hygienically clean dishes. Let's do a mixed load now. In this load, I am placing soiled steel cookware like pressure cooker, kadhai, milk boiling pan and steel plates at the bottom rack. Before closing the door, make sure the spray arms are moving freely and not obstructed by dishes. On the top rack, I am placing glasses, cups, bowls, tea pan, glass container, etc. For this load, I am using auto mode, which automatically adjusts its timing from 80 minutes to 150 minutes, which depends on how dirty the dishes are. And see, all the dishes are cleaned fantastically. If dishes are pre-rinsed and not heavily soiled, then just select auto mode for easy and hassle-free cleaning. Next, I am trying soil dinner set. Plates, bowls, cups, glasses, etc. As these are delicate serveware, I am using delicate wash cycle for this. The cycle is for 2 hours. And look, everything is clean and shiny with zero food residues and spots. Now let's see some of its helpful and unique features. Its insulation technology is designed to create much less noise. A stainless steel tub absorbs a lot of sound and vibration when it's working. So it has the lowest noise level in its class, just 44 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. It has a unique auto-release drying feature. When the rinse and dry process is complete, the door automatically opens 10 cm to allow steam to escape. Pre-rinse and hygiene mode allow you to customize your washing cycle for spotless and germ-free cleaning. You can adjust the water softness according to the water supply in your area. Just press the program button for 5 seconds and then hygiene button and change the setting using program button. By default, it comes with H3 setting, which is ideal for the normal scenario. You can change from H1 to H6 from soft to hard water levels. Unlike other dishwashers available in the market, this Samsung dishwasher comes with 3 washing arms for better and intensive cleaning. This Samsung dishwasher comes with 1-year warranty on product and cost around Rs 48,990. One washing cycle uses 10.5 to 16.1 liters of water and 0.9 to 1.72 units of electricity depending upon the chosen program, which is much lower and quite efficient as compared to a manual wash. If you're thinking of buying a dishwasher and you have few doubts like monthly spend, what material of dishes to be used, what detergent to be used, or if you have any kind of misconception about a dishwasher, then do check out our video on misconceptions about dishwashers. Link is given in the description box. I think the Samsung dishwasher is a great appliance with extra helpful features. It has been curated thoughtfully, keeping Indian consumers in mind. If you have any questions or doubts about its features, you can check out the link in the description box. Or you can leave your query in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.